Hello guys, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be going through a review of a particular platform called Sproutgigs. Sproutgigs used to be called Picoworkers, and in Picoworkers is a platform where employers and workers meet to complete microtasks. These microtasks require little to no skills to complete, and they include jobs like website sign-up, data entry and extraction, Reddit upvotes, YouTube subscribe, and a host of others. The platform has been rebranded with the aim of this video being to let you know what has changed on this platform and if you can still make money on the platform. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so that you won't miss interesting and valuable content from this space. As I have previously stated, Sproutgigs used to be called Picoworkers until a new feature called the Gig section was added to the platform. I have a video linked in the description of this video which talks about my honest review of Picoworkers. If you haven't seen this video, then you can do well to check it out. The link is in the description of this video. Sproutgigs allow you hire the best people to complete jobs in different categories, and these jobs require medium to high level skills to complete. The Gig section is an online marketplace for jobs that require medium to high level skills, such as in areas like digital marketing, writing, graphic design, web development, search engine optimization, and a host of others, unlike their previous microgigs that require little to no skills to accomplish. This marketplace can be compared to other freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and People per Hour, where freelancers and creators meet for service delivery. One cool advantage of this new gig section is that creators can get their jobs done at extremely cheap prices compared to other platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. But if you are a freelancer on this platform, you will need to work more gigs to earn an adequate or equivalent sum to what other freelancers are earning on either People per Hour.
To get to the Gig section, you have this Gigs tab here. You just click on the Gigs tab, then you go to Browse Gigs. So once you click on Browse Gigs, it will bring you to the Gig section. So you have a lot of advertised gigs here in different categories. You have them in graphics design, you have in lifestyle, you have in photos and videos, you have in digital marketing, you have in lifestyle, you have in a whole lot of categories that you have gigs. So this one says I will convert one logo to 3D for $1. This one says I will develop and reskin mobile games to Unity Android. I will produce your professional advertising promotional video. So you have different categories of advertised gigs here. One very funny thing about this advertised gig is the fact that they are extraordinarily cheap. You have this advertised gig for $1.05, $5.25. You have for $1.05. You have for $3.15. You have them like that. Rarely would you see anyone that exceeds $10. The most prevalent ones are even $1.05, $1.58. So you have a whole lot of them. This one is under digital writing. This one is under web development. It says I will create and design your professional blogger web, and it says for $5.25, which is a very fair deal compared to conventional websites, freelancer websites like Fiverr and Upwork, where you get this type of work, jobs or gigs on all these websites. You get them for like $10 upwards, but here you get them for $1.05. Cool. So you have to be extra careful likewise, because the quality of job you get for $10 on other websites might not likely be what you are going to get here. So as much as possible, when quality is involved, you might want to be cautious of where you execute your gig. If you are a creator who is working on a low budget and you do not have too much money to spend, then fine, this might be the best platform for you to come and source for your gigs, or you hire your freelancers. This one even says I'll produce your professional advertising promotional video for $1, which it says I'll create a YouTube channel for you with full settings. It says for $5.25, which as far as I'm concerned, this advert has about 34 reviews. Let me click on this advert. This advert has like 34 reviews. So it says, are you looking for a YouTube channel? Need proper guidance on how to create and use a YouTube channel? Yes, you are the right gig. So he has a 5-star rating of over 30 out of 34 reviews. So this person must actually be good. So this one from Canada, this review from Canada said not the most pleasant experience. View duration decreased significantly, and it was really rude when I questioned his methods. So you have to be extra careful using all these gigs because they seem to be extraordinarily cheap. Although if you are a creator on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you could outsource your gigs and bring them here, and then you keep the difference in the amount. But just like I have said, also you have to be extraordinarily conscious of the quality. When it comes to quality, you have to be conscious. You have to take, because the quality that you get working here might not be the quality that you get working on Fiverr. So on this Sproutgigs platform, every other thing has remained the same. We still have the Microjob section also. Okay, so this is on my employer tab. So if I go back to my worker tab, I'll pitch it to my worker tab. So I have switched to my worker tab. So on my worker tab, I still have all of the microjobs. As we can see, the microjobs are just my new job for, we have 4 cents, here we have $0.27, here you have $1.1. so, and most of them are geo restricted. I mean, the jobs tend to be restricted to certain geographical locations. So if you're not from particular locations, you might not be able to get some high paying jobs, most especially if you are not from tier 1 countries. So they have a different range of jobs that are available here. You have CEO promote, most of them are just penny, they pay in cents, so they might not be really worth it. If you want to withdraw your earning, you just come to this request withdrawal. You have this ATM, you have Litecoin, you have PayPal, you have Skrill, and then you have Uphold. So once you get to the withdrawal threshold, which is $5, then you can use any of the withdrawal method that is available in your location to request for withdrawal. So one other method by which you can make money on this platform is also through the affiliate network. So you can earn commission by referring people to come and use these websites. When they make money, you have a certain percentage. It says for each purchase made, you earn like $5, and for each successful job your members complete, you will earn $5. So once you refer people here, you get $5 in commission. So if you're able to have referrals here, you might be able to make some money. But doing micro jobs, you might not be able to make much through micro jobs. But gigs, if you can outsource gigs, if you can bring in gigs and outsource it on this platform, you might also likely be able to make jobs. So that's just my honest review of this platform called Sproutgigs, formerly called Picoworkers. It's actually a place where you can make some decent amount of money, but might not be enough to really make you rich like that. So it's a very good platform for you to try. And just like I have said, I linked a video in the description of this particular video, which was my initial review of this platform before it was rebranded into Sproutgigs. Then it was called Picoworkers. So you can do well to check that, because it's a much more comprehensive insight. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.